In this example, we're going to look at how to calculate the molarity of a combined solution of the same solute. In this example, it tells us that 20 milliliters of 0.250 molar hydrochloric acid is added to 30 milliliters of 0.15 molar hydrochloric acid. And then it asks for the concentration of the resulting solution. So in this problem, we're actually combining two hydrochloric acid solutions together, and we have to figure out what the concentration would be. So what I want to do first is think about what molarity means. So think about the molarity formula and write the molarity formula down in your notes. Now the molarity formula is simply moles of solute over liters of solution. Now in this example, our solute is the hydrochloric acid. Okay, our solute is that HCl. If this is the molarity formula, think about what's changing when we add those two solutions together. Okay, well, we're actually changing the number of moles of HCl that is in that container. We're putting two different values of moles into one container. And so what we can actually do is determine the molarity by first determining how many moles of HCl do we now have. And so what I did here is for solution 1, I took the concentration that was given along with the volume. I just converted it to liters, and I found the number of moles. So when you multiply 0.25 and 0.02, you get 0.005 moles of HCl in solution 1. Now if we do the same thing for solution 2, we use the concentration, we use the volume in liters, we get 0.0045 moles. Now, we have 0.005 from solution 1, 0.0045 from solution 2, but those are both in the same container now. So now what we have to do is we have to add them together. So the total number of moles in this new solution is 0.0095. So what we have now is our moles of solute has changed to 0.0095. So our number of moles have now changed. Now if we're taking two solutions and we're adding them together, our volume is also changing. So to find the new volume, we can simply add our two volumes of solution 1 and of solution 2, and we get 50 milliliters. Now remember, when you're calculating molarity, you have to have liters. So what I did is I just divided it by 1,000, and we get 0.05 liters. So now what I have is I have our new value for moles, our new value for liters, and what we can do is divide the two. And when we divide the two, I'll write it up here at the top, we find that our new concentration of the HCl solution is 0.19 molar. So notice, we can't just average the two. We can't say, well, 0.15 plus 0.25, add them together, divide it by 2. That'd give us 0.2. Right? So you have to be careful with this. Now maybe you did it a different way and you got the same answer, that's fine. But when you add two solutions together, you have to look at your new value of moles, your new value for liters, and then take that into account to calculate concentration.